How many income streams do you have right now? If you said one, you're like most people, but you're also potentially leaving meaningful income on the table. The people building real wealth don't put all their eggs in one basket. They diversify their income just like they diversify their investments. Today, I'm summing up Alex Hormozi's 50-minute video into 20 minutes. See the description below for the full version. I'll be showing you 5 practical ways to create multiple income streams. One you can start tonight using whatever time and skills you have available. Hi, Kane here. I'm a theater grad that started from nothing. I've been in the housing industry for about 20 years now and own properties throughout Ontario. Be sure to watch my biography video to learn about my story. This video is for motivational and educational purposes only. Consult with a professional before starting any venture. The first way might surprise you because you probably already have what it takes. You already have skills that people will pay for. The question is, are you selling them? Most people spend 40 hours a week using their talents to make someone else rich. They write emails, design presentations, solve problems, and manage projects. Then they go home and complain about not having enough money. Freelancing lets you sell those same skills directly to clients who need them. You cut out the middleman. You keep all the profit. Some skilled freelancers charge $100 or more per hour for specialized work. The freelancing market exploded after COVID. Companies realized they didn't need full-time employees for every task. They could hire skilled freelancers from anywhere in the world. These freelancers work from their kitchen tables and earn more than their old office jobs. The benefits are clear: flexible schedule, higher pay potential, and direct client relationships. No commute, no office politics, no asking permission to take time off. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients in minutes. You create a profile, list your skills, and apply for projects. Keep in mind that Upwork can take up to 48 hours to approve your profile, and Fiverr holds funds for 14 days before withdrawal for many sellers. The platform handles payments while you focus on the work. The secret is picking skills that are in high demand. SEO writing is hot right now because every business needs website content that ranks on Google. AI content editing pays well because companies use AI to create content but need humans to make it sound natural. Social media management is in demand because business owners know they need social media but don't have time to manage it themselves. Companies need these skills but don't want to hire full-time employees. Full-time employees cost more than just salary. There's benefits, office space, equipment, and training. Freelancers cost less and deliver faster results. Start with one platform and one skill. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Pick something you're already good at. Build up reviews and testimonials. Deliver quality work on time. Communicate clearly with clients. Ask for feedback and use it to improve. Once you have good reviews, raise your rates. Demand for good freelancers is high. Supply is limited. You can charge premium rates if you deliver premium results. Sarah started writing blog posts for $25 each on Fiverr. She delivered articles on time and followed instructions carefully. Clients left positive reviews. She slowly raised her rates. 6 months later, she charges $200 per article and has a waiting list of clients who want to work with her. The best part about freelancing is you can start today with skills you already have. You don't need special training or certifications. You need a computer and an internet connection. But freelancing is just the beginning. There's another way to turn your skills into income that works even when you're sleeping. Digital products and dropshipping let you sell without the traditional headaches of running a business. You don't need a warehouse or shipping supplies. Digital products work while you sleep. Create an ebook, online course, or template once. Then sell it thousands of times with no extra work. Every sale after the first one is pure profit. No shipping costs, no inventory limits, no damaged goods. A customer downloads the product instantly after payment. Dropshipping removes inventory headaches completely. You list products on your website. When someone buys, your supplier ships directly to them. You never touch the product, but you keep the profit. The supplier handles storage, packaging, and shipping. You focus on marketing and customer service. Marketplaces like Etsy reach tens of millions of buyers looking for handmade crafts and digital downloads. Wedding planners buy printable invitations. Teachers buy educational worksheets. Business owners buy logo templates. eBay lets you sell anything sitting in your closet right now. Old electronics, books, clothes, and collectibles all have buyers waiting. Amazon handles storage and shipping for you. You send your products to Amazon warehouses. They store, pack, and ship everything to customers. Be sure to also check out Zendrop and Shopify. The key is finding products people actually want. Look at what's selling well on these platforms, check bestseller lists, read customer reviews, look for complaints about existing products, then create something similar but better. Fix the problems customers mention in reviews. Start small with one product. Test if people will buy it. Don't invest thousands in inventory before you know there's demand. Create a simple version first. See if it sells. Get feedback from early customers. Use their suggestions to improve the product. This approach minimizes upfront investment and helps you avoid heavy inventory costs that can sink new sellers. Here's your testing process. First, create one product. Second, list it at a low price to test demand. Third, track sales and customer feedback carefully. Fourth, use that data to improve and expand. A simple template or checklist can validate whether people want what you're offering. You can also check out a book called 12 Months to 1 Million by Ryan Daniel Moran. Digital products create passive income streams that work around the clock. One customer or 1,000 customers require the same effort from you when selling digital products. Physical products through dropshipping let you run an e-commerce business without warehouse rent or packing supplies. Create a template, checklist, or short ebook. Price it low to test interest. See if people buy it. This validates demand before you invest more time creating additional products. Expand your product line based on what works. If customers love one type of product, create variations, different colors, sizes, or features. If one template style sells well, create similar templates for different industries. But selling products is just one way to turn your skills into income. There's another approach that can generate multiple revenue streams from the same effort. Content creation turns your knowledge into multiple income streams that work around the clock. Micro-influencers with engaged audiences of 10,000 to 50,000 followers can earn meaningful income from brand deals, affiliate links, and product sales. They often earn more per follower than large accounts because their engagement rates are higher and their audiences trust them more. Everyone thinks you need millions of followers to make money. They see celebrities with massive audiences and assume that's the only way. But smaller audiences that actually listen are worth more than large audiences that ignore you. A fitness creator with 50,000 engaged followers can build a six-figure business because those followers trust their recommendations and buy what they suggest. The monetization path follows 3 clear steps. First, build a niche audience by posting valuable content consistently. Second, monetize through affiliate links and brand partnerships as companies notice your engagement. Third, launch your own products to sell directly to that audience. Each step builds on the previous one. YouTube requires 1,000 subscribers to join the partner program for ad revenue. Instagram and TikTok creators earn through brand partnerships where companies pay them to feature products in their posts. Podcasters make money from sponsorships and affiliate marketing by reading ads during their shows and earning commissions on sales. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Pick one subject and become the go-to person for that topic. Post valuable content every day. Answer questions from your audience. Help people solve problems. Share what you learn based on your experience. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by recommending products you already use. You share a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a percentage. Some creators make 6 figures just from Amazon affiliate links. Thus, your audience needs to be very large to accomplish this task, which will take a long time to build. They review products they actually use. Their audience trusts their recommendations and buys through their links. Again, building an audience takes time, but it creates income streams that compound. Your content works for you around the clock. New people discover your old posts. They follow your affiliate links. They buy your products. A creator might start with free educational videos, sharing their own journey and answering questions. After 6 months, companies start reaching out with partnership offers. After a year, they create their first digital product. One creator started with workout videos and fitness tips. She shared her own transformation journey and answered nutrition questions. Her audience grew slowly, but stayed engaged. Supplement companies offered partnerships. She only promoted products she actually used. Then she created workout plans, selling simple PDFs for $29 each. The first month brought in $1,400. She reinvested that money into better products with professional videos and detailed programs. Content creation starts as active income, but smart creators use it to build streams that generate money whether they're working or not. Your audience becomes an asset that pays dividends over time, but there's an even more powerful way to make money work for you. Investing creates income streams that work without your daily involvement. The richest people I know don't trade time for money. They make money work for them instead. While most people work harder to earn more, wealthy people focus on building systems that generate income without their constant effort. Active income requires your time and effort. You work, you get paid, you stop working. The money stops coming. Passive income flows in whether you're working or not. The wealthy understand this difference and build passive income streams first. They know that time is limited, but money can work around the clock. Keeping cash in low-interest accounts can lose ground to inflation over time. Many people think they're being safe with savings accounts, but they're actually losing purchasing power every year. Meanwhile, real investors put their money to work in the stock market and real estate investments. Real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment. The numbers prove it. But you don't need to buy rental properties to invest in real estate. You don't need to deal with tenants calling about broken toilets. You don't need to handle repairs or collect rent. You can put money to work via index funds, dividend-paying stocks, or pooled real estate vehicles like REITs to gain passive income without being a landlord. REITs let you own pieces of office buildings, shopping centers, and apartment complexes without managing them directly. You buy shares just like stocks. The REIT collects rent from tenants and pays you dividends. You get real estate exposure without dealing with maintenance or vacancy problems. Stock market investing through index funds gives you ownership in hundreds of companies. You buy one fund. That fund owns pieces of many businesses. The Canadian stock market has averaged around 10% annual returns over many decades, despite short-term ups and downs. The S&P/TSX Composite Index shows this pattern over time. The key is starting early and staying consistent. Time makes the biggest difference in building wealth. Regular investing and compound returns over decades can produce large gains. Small monthly contributions add up significantly when your money earns returns and those returns earn returns. The growth accelerates over time. Dividend stocks pay you quarterly just for owning them. You buy the stock. The company sends you money every 3 months. Some Canadian companies have paid dividends for over 100 years straight. Banks and utilities are known for reliable dividend payments. They generate steady cash flow and share it with shareholders. You pick companies with strong financial health. Look at their earnings and cash flow. Make sure they can afford their dividend payments. Spread your investments across different sectors. This reduces risk if one industry struggles. Be sure to read Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. Investment income is true passive income. Your money works around the clock generating returns while you focus on other income streams or enjoy your life. You don't need to show up anywhere. You don't need to manage daily operations. The investments work without your constant attention. Building passive income takes time though. While your investments grow, you need income streams that start paying immediately. Side hustles bridge the gap between your main income and your financial goals. Dog walking and pet sitting apps commonly pay in the $25 to $50 per walk or day range, and overnight pet sitting often pays $40 to $75 per night. A college student can work 15 hours per week and earn meaningful extra income for textbooks and expenses. People think side hustles are just for broke college students. They see someone walking dogs and assume that person can't find real work. There are lawyers and engineers who run side hustles because they enjoy the extra income and creative outlet. They like having money that doesn't depend on their boss or their company staying in business. Pet sitting and dog walking are huge in Canadian cities. Busy professionals work long hours and travel for business. They need someone to care for their pets. Apps connect you with pet owners in your area. You create a profile, set your availability, and pet owners browse profiles to book services. The app handles payments and scheduling. Your action step: create a Pet Care 360 profile this week and try to get one booking. Tutoring pays $25 to $50 per hour, depending on the subject. Math, science, and English are always in demand. Parents want their kids to get better grades. Adults need help preparing for tests or learning new skills. You can tutor online using video calls or meet in person at coffee shops and libraries. Many tutors prefer coffee shops because they're public and convenient for both parties. Start by signing up on tutoring platforms and listing subjects you're comfortable teaching. TaskRabbit and similar apps let you earn money doing odd jobs. People need help assembling furniture from IKEA. They need help moving boxes or hanging pictures. These handyman tasks pay $20 to $40 per hour plus tips. The work is physical but straightforward. Most tasks take 1 to 3 hours to complete. Microtask platforms like Clickworker offer small online tasks like data entry, content moderation, and AI training that allow work from any device. They pay small amounts but can add up over time. You might enter data from receipts into spreadsheets. You might moderate comments on websites. You might help train AI systems by labeling images or correcting text. The beauty of side hustles is flexibility. Work when you want, as much or as little as you need. Scale up during busy months when you need extra money for holidays or emergencies. Scale back when life gets hectic with school or your main job. You control your schedule and workload. Avoid any side hustle that requires you to pay up front to get customers. Legitimate opportunities don't charge you fees to start working. Side hustles provide immediate income while you build longer-term strategies. They're also great for testing business ideas before committing fully. Many successful businesses started as side hustles. The owner tested the market and learned customer needs before quitting their day job. You now have 5 different ways to create multiple income streams. The difference between dreamers and achievers isn't talent or luck, it's taking the first step. You now know 5 different ways to create income streams. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated for a few hours, then do nothing. They'll bookmark it, they'll share it with friends, they'll talk about starting something new, but they won't actually start. They'll still be in the same financial position next year, while others who took action are earning thousands more per month. People learn about opportunities, they get excited about the possibilities, they make plans in their heads, then they wait for the perfect moment to begin. The perfect moment never comes. Perfect conditions don't exist. You start with what you have right now. Pick one strategy that excites you most. If you're creative, start with selling products or building an audience. If you have professional skills, try freelancing. If you have some money saved, consider investing. Don't try to do all 6 at once. Focus on one until it works. The goal isn't to replace your job immediately. Most people quit too early because they expect instant results. Building income streams takes time. The goal is to prove to yourself that you can create income outside of traditional employment. Success breeds confidence, and confidence leads to bigger opportunities. Track your progress and reinvest your earnings. Set a 30-minute weekly review to log your earnings and allocate a portion of side hustle income back into growth. Use freelancing income to fund your first investment. Use side hustle money to create digital products. Let each income stream fuel the next one. This creates a cycle where your money works harder for you over time. Use initial side hustle earnings to invest. Use investment returns to buy skills or assets. Then scale your income streams. Each step builds on the previous one. Start small with one strategy, reinvest the profits, learn new skills, then expand to additional income sources. Remember, wealthy people don't have one income source. They have multiple streams that work together to create financial security and freedom. They understand that relying on one income source is risky. Jobs disappear, companies fail, industries change. Multiple income streams protect you from these risks. Every successful entrepreneur started with a single step. They didn't have special advantages or secret knowledge. They just took action when others made excuses. Your financial future depends on what you do after watching this video, not just what you learned from it. The information in this video means nothing without action. Knowledge without execution is worthless. You could watch 100 videos about making money and stay broke. Or you could pick one strategy from this video and start building wealth today. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Your income potential multiplies when you stop depending on one source. 5 income streams, unlimited potential. The only question left is which one you'll start with today. Financial freedom isn't about getting lucky or having special talents. It's about spreading your income across different sources and taking steps forward every day. Most people rely on one paycheck. Smart people build multiple ways to earn money. Pick one strategy from this video and commit to it for the next 30 days. Start today with one small step. Set up a profile, list one product, or set up an investment plan. Start small, test quickly, and scale what works. If you enjoyed this material, be sure to watch a reliable investment using debt that can put money into your pocket monthly, and it's backed by real estate up next.